Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Motion in a React.js website. First, you'll need to install Framer Motion in your React project. This powerful library makes adding animations incredibly easy, allowing you to create smooth and engaging user interfaces with minimal code. We'll start by setting up our environment and then dive into basic animation concepts. Now, let's animate a simple component. Wrap your HTML or SVG element with the motion component. You can then define its starting and ending animation states using the initial and animate props. For instance, you might animate its opacity from 0 to 1. Don't forget to add a transition prop to control the duration and easing of your animation for a polished look. Framer Motion also excels at interactive gestures. You can easily add animations that respond to user input, such as while hover for mouse over effects or while tap for click interactions. For more complex scenarios, variants are incredibly useful. They allow you to define named animation states and orchestrate them across parent and child components, making your code cleaner and more scalable. Beyond the basics, Framer Motion offers advanced features like layout animations, which handle changes in component size and position seamlessly. You can also create scroll-triggered animations for engaging page experiences. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals and resources to continue your learning journey with Framer Motion. Keep experimenting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.